Install the water inlet hose. First loosen the clamp at one end of the inlet hose. Then install the filter. Then use a tool to tighten the clamp to secure it and prevent water leakage. Loosen the clamp at the other end of the inlet hose. Connect the inlet hose to the pump body and use a tool to tighten it securely. Install the water outlet hose. As shown in the video, attach one end of the outlet hose to the water outlet. Then connect the other end to the spray gun. Then place one end of the inlet hose into the water. The filter will sink by itself after it is filled with water. Remove the vent plug. Then, as shown in the video, unscrew the plug. Then install the vent plug back to its mounting position. At the power input, there are 5 wires. The 3 on the left are live, blue is neutral, and yellow is ground. Install the power cord. Use a standard junction box. Disconnect power before connecting to avoid electric shock. Then route the power cord into the junction box. Loosen the diesel tank cap to prepare for refueling. Use a tool to add sufficient diesel fuel. After refueling, put the tank cap back on. The diesel drain port is located underneath the machine. If the machine will not be used for a long time, drain the diesel via the drain port to prevent fuel deterioration from damaging it. To start the machine, first turn the start switch to the start position. Then turn the switch to the cold water position to start the machine. At this point, the water output is cold. If hot water is needed, turn the heating switch to the desired temperature according to your needs. When the water gun is spraying, the machine continuously heats. When not spraying, the sensor stops heating to prevent dry burning and damage. Before high pressure cleaning, first press the spray gun until the water flow becomes steady. Then install the nozzle and begin cleaning. The grip of the spray gun can be adjusted as needed. Press the spray gun trigger to start. The machine has powerful pressure with a spray distance of several meters, suitable for most everyday scenarios. At close range, it can even penetrate wooden boards several millimeters thick. The actual cleaning effect is shown in the video. Hot water cleaning softens and emulsifies stubborn grease and oil stains with far better results than cold water. Stains soften quickly, eliminating repeated scrubbing and saving cleaning time and water. It also greatly reduces chemical cleaning agents, making it more environmentally friendly and lowering consumable costs. After hot water cleaning, the surface evaporates faster, leaving fewer water spots or marks. Metal workpieces are less likely to rust from residual water marks, enabling faster reuse after cleaning. After hot water cleaning, do not touch the metal parts of the spray gun to prevent burns. It is necessary to turn off the heating device first. Then press the spray gun and let cold water flow until it reaches a suitable temperature. To shut down the machine, after the spray gun stops working, turn the start switch back to the start position. Then turn the start switch to the stop position to shut off the machine. After use, if the water hose cannot be removed, press the spray gun to release the pressure of the machine. Then it can be used normally.